For the first time in over 2 decades, Readiness Challenge is back.
Great Chief, you ready? Great Chief, you ready?
Readiness Challenge 8 successfully took place April 18th through the 22nd, 2022 at Tyndall Air Force Base, Florida's Silver Flag exercise site.
I'll put it at a 10. We'll have an after-action review and see if it becomes a 9.5, but I'm going with a 10 right now. Everything we're doing to support agile combat employment concepts, develop multi-capable airmen, this is a perfect event to help us do that.
This premier competition started in 1986 but was shelved after the 2000 contest due to world events. It returned in the form of a 3-team beta test by the Air Force Civil Engineer Center in 2019. Now with 8 teams going head-to-head, it's back and testing the wartime capabilities of Air Force civil engineers across the full spectrum of integrated base response and recovery operations.
What you have behind me represents a guard shack, but that can represent anything that combatant commander, that force needs built, and our engineers are able to take those plans and quickly construct those kind of facilities. Also in the airfield, you saw airfield repairs going on. So in an environment where we are attacked or the airfield is damaged, we're demonstrating those skills to restore that system so that we can get sorties back generating again.
During the week-long contest and under the watchful eye of evaluators with Tyndall's 823rd Red Horse Squadron Detachment 1, over 300 airmen competed in more than 20 competitions, demonstrating their ability to execute critical wartime operations, all while exhibiting skill, camaraderie, and esprit de corps.
Just being ready for the fight. It's amazing being able to be part of this because I knew I was going to be the lead of that event. I did a lot of preparation. It was very important to have that communication with my team to be able to understand what to do because half the team never touched it before.
Out here we're expecting them to come in and they already know how to complete the task, and they need to know and have the expertise to pull up that TO or whatever information or have that experience on that equipment to walk in here and be able to perform at the highest levels to compete with the other teams.
The first winner of the Brigadier General William T. Meredith Award in 22 years, the 934 CES out of Minnesota, St. Paul.
I'm proud of airmen. I'm proud of these Air Force civil engineers. What they are doing, what they did this week is so important to the very things that we're doing in forward locations in the Pacific and all other parts of the globe. There's a connection there.
With the initial operational capability of Readiness Challenge now in the books, organizers are already looking to the next Readiness Challenge, a larger competition considered the full operational capability event announced by the General to take place at Tyndall in April 2023.
This time next year, Readiness Challenge 9, yep.
For the Air Force Installation and Mission Support Center, I'm Brian Goddin.